Okay, we're getting ready to start installing a new muffler system, and I got it laid out here about the way it goes. I also put some tools down here so I can get the other end of this nice and flat, the flange, so the gasket goes on good. Between a file, a scraper, and some sandpaper, that should do it. Although now I don't know where my sandpaper is. Oh, there it is. It already started blowing away. I also have some blocks here because I think it's a brake line that comes across here underneath, and I can't just set the muffler on the metal frame because that brake line is up. So I want to block it up there. I think what I have to do is come in from the front, or kind of like right here, go over top of the frame in between there, and then get far enough back that I can bring it forward a little bit to go over top of this piece of the frame here. So the other one I couldn't get it out, but it was a little longer because I had some of this pipe on, and that might have made the difference. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in there or not, but one way or another it does need to go in. So hopefully I'll be able to get it in there. Maybe get it blocked up, maybe get a hanger on or two, or maybe it can be blocked up in the back and sitting on the frame in the front, and then I can work on this piece, and then I'll let you know how it goes. So there it is. On the Nissan Frontier 2004 in 2024. Probably about, I know it's had at least 3 muffler systems on it. I can't remember if this is the 4th or the 5th. Probably the 4th. 20 years. Let me think. 1, 2. It's at least the 3rd. It's at least the 3rd system. And maybe if I look back at my paperwork, I could figure it out better. But at least the 3rd, probably the 4th. Okay, let's see if we can get it in there. I didn't do the others. I paid to have them done, so this is my first time. See how it goes.